Go, one second, go, 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 go!
This is Roger today out here at Duck Lake. Up with our grand ledge wall for the most part. Got one more layer to throw up top. Waiting on some corners. Starting our coda wall down here. Gonna install our 6 steps. David over here is excavating for the front side of our wall for our raised patio. So we got 6 steps coming up to a 3-foot landing area for about a 12 by 12 pad. Another 9 steps up to the top of that landing. So yeah, quite busy, a lot of stuff going on here. And overall, pretty decent, tight entry. And had no really big hiccups yet. So just slow and steady, but that's why we just gotta sit there and double check everything before we make our next step, because obviously there ain't no going back once this is in or glued or anything. You can't tear this apart to get to that. So that one, so that's like a, if it did come out a little bit more, boom, here. That's the corner.
Let me get some more paint. I'm gonna dig a little wide.
Yeah, that is actually, I'd say that's my edge. So I mean, if you wanted to go that much more than my line, and then the back side, I mean the back side, don't worry about the back side. This is all filled with stone. Yeah, so if that's our corner piece and that's our wall, this is. So it came over like 2 foot-ish.
6.
Something like that. Kind of seeing it now.
Yeah, man.
Built up most of that base with that large rock.
It's gonna be hard to make that base. So what, you wanna go out further this way with this wall? Or in with this?
I was gonna say we're probably gonna have to go in. We're gonna have to keep ours. We're gonna have to go in with the new wall.
It's Jake here with Foxscapes. We're out here in East Lansing today, putting in a couple downspouts for a customer with a French drain. They had some problems where it's water's backing up into their basement, going down their walls. So we're out here putting the French drain in. We're gonna put some stone over top of it, which we got our pipes in the hole now. We're gonna put stone, put our fabric, cover it back up with dirt. We're gonna have 2 pop-up drains coming out here. We're gonna go around to the front. They got a lot of water issues going on. Water's coming in their window, so we're gonna put a French drain along the whole front of their house and run it out, 2 drain tiles. We got, I think, 3 downspouts up there. We're gonna connect them all, separate pipes, all the way out to the street. Biggest reason why we do all these drain tiles where we run it in from their downspouts is water problems, keep the water away from the house. The French drains, if the client has a lot of issues with water, we put that French drain in. It's just an extra fabrication of where we can send the water, get that water away from their house as best we can, convert it to a low spot in their yard so it will go off and not come back to the house.
Back here, is it back? Right, that's pretty good. Oh, one sec, no, 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 no! That went right on top of our pipe. I have this. Oh, you just hit your line. Oh, I see that. No, like you just broke the hydraulic with the claw. Watch out. Please lose it.
What you just saw was not our brightest moment, but these things are kind of inevitable, and they do happen when you build. That hydro line blew and it got all over our wall, a couple of our walls, some of our steps. So right now they're trying to clean it up. You know, obviously the hope is to clean it up. Got as much materials around as we could so they can try, you know, what the pros suggest. But yeah, if we can't clean that, it's going to be a rebuild, and nobody wants to go back that far. So hopefully it comes out.